For this DIY, I wanted to combine a couple things I found at the Dollar Tree. I found a really pretty candle holder and a really pretty glass bottle that's the same color. So I thought we could put these together and maybe make a lamp out of it. So I'm going to put this upside down. So I do need all the tags to be off there. That one had the stickiest tag ever on there, but nothing a little heat and glue away can't take care of. And I want them both to be really clean because I want to glue them together and I want the glasses to bond like that. The candle holder I thought would be a nice strong base to make it heavier, combining the two glass pieces together. And I'm just going to have it upside down, holding up the bottle. Since it's glass on glass, I use some of the Gorilla Clear Grip glue and then hot glue in the middle, little short term, long term hold on that, and put it on there. I think it kind of looks like a little bit like a lampshade, right? And you can see through it. So I'm going to fill it up and make a little beach scene in mine. I do some of the Dollar Tree sand in here, not too much. I want to leave room for some seashells that I found at the beach. So I'm just going to scatter some of those in there. And I want to light this up with a solar light. I'm going to be using one of the solar lights from Dollar General that are a little bit smaller, but you could always use the ones from the Dollar Tree for this one as well. I also added a couple of the Dollar Tree shells in there as well. So I'm just going to use the very top part like that, and that light bulb will light up the entire bottle. I was trying to decide if I was going to keep this bow or not. I end up ditching it. It was bothering me. But I'm just going to connect the solar light with hot glue around the rim. It's a perfect size. I think that's going to be strong enough. And then I decided maybe this raffia would look better maybe if I just knotted it. And then I was like, you know what? It's really not necessary. So I'm just going to remove it. And here it is, our fun little solar light, little beach theme. And combining the two glasses together makes it a little bit stronger. I don't think it will tip over super easily. And you might be able to push it down into your landscaping or your dirt a little bit because of the opening in the bottom of the candle holder. But isn't that candle holder so pretty? But this is how it looks lit up. See how bright that is? Showing off some of my seashell collection. And it was just a really easy DIY. Really, any kind of a glass jar or a vase from the Dollar Tree can work for this. Candle holders work really well. And combining it with another candle holder, like I did, is a really easy way to make a little lamp for outdoors. But I love the beauty of that candle holder and the little flask vase. Really cute, especially to show off some coastal seashells in there. And this is how it turned out.